I am going to demonstrate to you what I like to do every weekend and for my own skin. And this is something which I call for myself a skin meditation. I am 49. This is my girlfriend, also a doctor, Dr. Loveleen Sood, who is a cosmetic injector / a really fabulous doctor. She's not only an internal medicine, but she also is a geriatrician and everything. Pretty much like my double in the sense. So I also do pretty much all the same things. But Loveleen is my partner in crime. Anyway, so what she is doing today is helping me demonstrate to our clientele how to take care of your skin, and also how to massage your face once or twice a month at least. This is something, if you take time out for your face, for your skin, for your under chin, for your neck, it's so important. It's going to help you so much to age better, to preserve the architecture of your face, so this is for those people, whether you do Botox and fillers or not, you still should do it. But if you do Botox and fillers, you must do this. You have no choice but to do this, because you would want to preserve yourself. If you're somebody who maintains your face, I'm sure that you're one of those people who want to preserve the architecture of your face for as long as possible. So you're not in a hurry to look very old. So the first thing that I like to start out with is to basically cleanse the whole face. She is already cleansed. She just has a light moisturizer on. We are doing the facial skin meditations for the weekend. So I'm going to start her skin meditation with a little bit of vitamin C.
A little vitamin C. We love the vitamin C.
So the vitamin C that I like to use. I mean,
I was gonna be a little naughty right now about different kinds of vitamins.
Yes. What kind of vitamins are you naughty about?
I can't tell you.
Which vitamins do you?
I can't tell you right now, but the ladies out there will understand the importance of vitamin D.
Oh. Very funny.
Very bad.
Very bad.
Okay.
Shush. My mom might be listening.
Auntie will be like, she'll be like, oh, but Loveleen is such a good girl. She was talking about the vitamin D, the pill from in the sun. And
the pill in the sun.
She's such a good girl.
No.
I got them fooled.
You got nobody fooled, baby. Okay. So this is vitamin C. Vitamin C is like skin food. Guess what? So when you cleanse your face in the morning, I want you to put some vitamin C. And I am here with vitamin C, washing her sunscreen off. I'm going to also put a little bit on her neck. So you don't need a lot. This is like around 20% vitamin C, which is like a very high percentage. So how do you like the texture of this? It's really nice and silky.
Feels silky, yeah.
You want to try it on your hand? I also like it on my hand, because sometimes your hand is like looking like
it's very silky and non-oily, as you can see. Now, if only you're doing such a nice job with the massage. Now, if only you could be 6'2" and another gender. The way I like them.
I wish you were that lucky at this time. Right now, you'll have to make do with a woman who will kick your ass if she has to. Anyway, so this is so basically I want you to just first serve the food, which is the vitamin C, to your entire face. So I'm going to I've given her a lot.
Treat.
Okay, so this is basically, I have now pretty much applied it to her. I'm not applying it on her lips or on her eyes. On her eyelids, but usually I do that there also. Check this out, what I'm doing to her. Everything is going up. Nothing is going down, because gravity is already pulling us down. Many of you have heard me every time you come for Botox or fillers. especially after cheek or under eye fillers, what do we tell you? Massage them for how long? Loveleen, how long do you tell them to massage?
I actually would never tell them to massage before. I mean, but now I know, I mean, now I see for my own, I mean, not that I've ever done it. I had to laugh at myself. No, but from observing my own face, you know, I do my own massage when I see, you know, the hydrophilicness of the fullness.
So when you do a filler, the next day, how full do you feel? Do you do a massage in the morning, or do you touch yourself, or
do I touch myself? In what way?
In like this way, where what I am touching. Of course not. Hello.
We got to keep this rated G.
We cannot. You know, this video is rated
G.
PG.
Yes. All right, I'll keep it PG now.
Yes.
No, I take fillers very well. I do them once a year. Happy camper I am. And but you tell me how long you encourage clients to massage for.
5 to 10 minutes.
I see. I could see.
So this is, you know, that is your, that was the serum that we placed.
Feels very nice. I'm not just saying this.
No, I know. That was just the serum. And now I am placing a little bit of a moisturizer on her. This is a moisturizer that I like to use. This is called emollients. Here, can you show it to people? This is the...
Is it coming out nice?
Yes. No, nobody can see. Okay.
Nobody can see?
No, this is the emollients. So put it down.
Put it down.
I'm going to show it later because right now I have it. So again, this is basically a slight moisturizer, because see, when you're going to pressure massage, especially under eye, so you're going to press it up.
I got to tell you, it feels amazing for the sinuses because you're hitting all the pressure points.
Yes. This is going to help your under eye to really rejuvenate. So whether you have a filler, whether you don't have a filler. And this is supposed to be slow, pressure, intentional. It's not like and then go away. And then call the doctor and say, oh, I still have something. No, did you massage? Are you massaging? So, Loveleen is about to fall asleep.
I am enjoying this. I didn't think I was gonna. She had to blackmail me into doing this, you know, basically.
Yes, of course.
No, but this is awesome. I may take you up on this.
No, this is the only time you're. I mean, if we, you know, I'm going to be sending this to some of my clients right now, because I told them that I'm going to send you a video of doing somebody's massage, so they can do it at home. Mm-hmm. So just check this out. This is what I'm doing around. Check it out.
And so you want to stay close to the bone.
Yes.
Not in that delicate eye area.
No, not in that area. Again, I also injected her in her smile line. We have to maintain some muscle tone. So this is going to help your face not fall too fast. There you go.
And as you massage yourself, don't forget to remind yourself how absolutely beautiful and perfect you are.
Yes, I am perfect.
I'm talking to the people. I'm talking to them out there. But yeah, you are perfect.
I am perfect.
Perfection.
I'm perfect. I give perfect massages. Okay, so now I'm going to give her we're done with her under eye. I've done her smile lines. I've done her. Now, if I had done her lip, I would do a lip massage at this time. She's wearing lipstick, so I'm not going to do it today, and I'm going to demonstrate it on somebody else.
But I don't do filler on my lips.
You don't need. Your lip is good enough. So this is a neck cream. It's called Neo Firm. I am in love with this cream these days.
And I got to tell you, being an aesthetic person myself, I look at beautiful faces. Obviously, beauty radiates from within too. You have to genuinely smile, genuinely be joyous. But I always look at necks. I feel like I look at the face and the neck, and sometimes people will have these beautiful faces and have completely neglected their neck, be it
oh my
sunscreen.
God, I fight with so many people about their necks. I'm like, okay, why does your face look like 30, but why does your neck look like 55?
Yeah, and then this area as well.
Décolleté, yeah.
This one, the décolleté, I like that. Yes, many people neglect to do that. If like I'm constantly covered, so my skin's great, but if you're exposed to the sun, you're gonna get some sun damage, and so you have to address that as well.
Okay, so I did her neck. Now, if she was doing it herself, she can keep doing it. Listen, sometimes when I'm doing my meditation, skin meditation, I forget. You can continue moisturizing your arms, your legs, your feet, your hands. It's very important to do that. In any case, when you shower or whatever, bathe, you should moisturize. But once in a while, you got to do this, which is like you have to make an intention and sit and just look after yourself. And that requires massaging. So this is something that I'm gonna end with, which is, again, today's session was mostly about face and under eye massage. So I'm gonna put a little bit of bio serum also under her face, under her eyes, which is...
What is that comprised of?
So it has a bunch of biological enzymes which are like really fine, and they do not clog your pores. They get absorbed very quickly. So you just, they get to the place where they're supposed to. Many times when you put a moisturizer that's not good or whatever, it just sits on top of the skin, doesn't really go anywhere. It will help you protect your skin in the sense that nothing can escape it. The moisture cannot escape the skin. But if you have like a good quality serum, it can actually go through the skin and actually permeate into the deeper levels.
So is this supposed to help with the darkness under the eyes or no?
So the darkness of, no, this does not. No. This is just like a little bit of firming thing. So under the eye area tends to get a little fragile. It is a very soft area anyway. So this is like a firming thing. It does not have any retinol in it. So it doesn't inflame the area, because retinol sometimes can inflame your area. So this is basically just a small, little firming. For lightness or for the under eye dark circles, the first serum that I applied on her, which was the vitamin C, this one, which currently I have not started marketing yet. I usually just sell it to some of my very special clients who spend a lot of money over here. But at some point, we will probably start giving it to people. So this is it.
I like the way my skin feels.
I know. And this is like natural. She has nothing on. So look how amazing she's looking. I just left her eye makeup and lipstick on. Everything else is done.